In 1997, a revolutionary aircraft soared through the skies above Russia with its inverted wings. While the concept of forward-swept wings wasn't new, this might have been the first successful implementation. Sukhoi envisioned this as the future of the Russian Air Force and, more importantly, as a means to surpass their competitor, the MiG, in the race for fifth-generation fighter aircraft. In this video, we will explore the innovation of the Russian reverse-swept wing fighter jet, the Su-47. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on other intriguing information. In 1980, the Soviet Navy had grand aspirations of dominating the seas, safeguarding Russia's vast coastlines, and even rivaling the might of the American naval forces. However, they needed cutting-edge jet aircraft to realize these ambitions. Sukhoi developed a new aircraft called the S-22, later known as the Su-47 to deceive the Western powers. This was intended to be a fifth-generation air dominance fighter for the Russian Navy, alongside the VTOL aircraft Yak-141. Yet, this project was stalled due to the economic crisis in the Soviet Union. However, Sukhoi didn't give up easily. They saw potential in the S-22 design and believed it could be their chance to outshine their main competitor, the MiG. Ironically, this tale didn't originate in Russia. The story behind the Su-47 and its forward-swept wing design actually began with the Third Reich. In 1944, the Nazis developed a new jet bomber called the Junkers Ju-287. However, the forward-swept wing design encountered serious issues, particularly with wing pressure during flight. Nonetheless, this design caught the attention of the Allies, including Russia and America. In 1984, Grumman embarked on an ambitious project for an aircraft known as the X-29, a joint endeavor with NASA and the U.S. Air Force to test the potential of forward-swept wing designs for future fighter planes. This time, they used lightweight and sturdy composite materials like carbon fiber to support the actual forward-swept wing design. By the late 1980s, the Soviet Union also initiated ambitious programs, namely the MFI and LFI programs, to create multi-role and lightweight fighter aircraft in response to the US ATF and JTF programs. Yet, Sukhoi held a strong vision and determination to remain competitive. Even without government funding, they decided to internally finance this project and beat MiG in their own way. The leaders at Sukhoi's bureau opted to build the first full prototype, which eventually became the S-37. By 1997, this aircraft was ready for its maiden flight. The S-37 Berkut, meaning the Golden Eagle, in Russian, boasted an astonishing futuristic design. About 90% of its wings were composed of composite materials, enabling the aircraft to achieve better combat performance with lower fuel consumption due to reduced drag. With two Soloviev D-30F6 engines each providing a thrust of 93 kilonewtons, the aircraft reached a maximum speed of over Mach 2 and could execute maneuvers with over 9 gs of force without compromising its structure. The Su-47 featured the distinctive forward-swept wing design aided by composite materials and large canards at the front of the wings to assist the pilot in control. Furthermore, the aircraft was armed with various weapons, including R-77 missiles housed in rotary launchers and a 30mm cannon. Unfortunately, despite its success as a technology and design experiment, the SU-47 was never operational. In 2001, the SU-47 program was eventually discontinued due to financial issues, with a decision to focus more on the development of fifth-generation fighter aircraft, leading to the SU-57. Though the SU-47 never achieved the status of an operational fighter, it remains a testament to the determination of the engineers and test pilots at Sukhoi who tirelessly worked to overcome all challenges. In 2009, the SU-47 was showcased again to the public as evidence of the achievements and hard work of the team behind it. In its journey, the SU-47 Berkut might not have become a widely flown fighter aircraft, but it stands as a symbol of courage, innovation, and unwavering effort in facing challenges to shape the future of the Russian Air Force. Nevertheless, the design concepts and technologies developed in this project have provided valuable contributions to the development of future fighter aircraft. That concludes it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on intriguing military and technological developments.